Going to the local markets. They have fresh produce and all of that is what you find, or some unique items like spices. Good spices make any meal great. Yum. I cannot wait to find something to cook with today. I don't know what's on the menu. Probably some grilled chicken on my grill. But these spices make life worth living. Only at your local markets. Can you believe it? Tons of spices to create some amazing recipes. Sometimes I never heard of the seasonings, but that's a good thing because you never heard of it. You can always create your own style. Now this right here is like one of my favorites. Slap your mama. Let's see what we're gonna get today. Black sea salt, that's supposed to be really good. Happy salt. Everybody could use a little happiness in their life. Let's see what we're gonna get. Yum, 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 yum. Fried green tomatoes. Food by Nichelle. Yum.